children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. And the new story? I'm back with a new story, the Eidgah. Okay, let's get started. Identify the following festivals and write their names. Values which we are going to learn from this story is harmony, love for grandparents, and self-control. Okay, so let's start the story, my dear. Let's begin it. This story is one of the greatest creations of Munshi Premchand. यानी इसके राइटर मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी हैं. Hamid is a little boy who has lost his parents at an early age. Amina, his grandmother, is his only support in this cruel world. मम्मी पापा नहीं थे, दादी सिर्फ देखभाल करती थी. They are poor but their love for each other is beyond description. गरीब थे लेकिन प्यार बहुत था. He goes to the fair on the day of Eid with only 3 paise in his pocket. But unlike other children, he spends it for the comfort of his grandmother. अब वो ईद के लिए जैसे मेले में बच्चे जाते हैं, चीज़ें खरीदते हैं, लेकिन उसने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं खरीदा. उसने अपनी दादी माँ के कंफर्ट के लिए कुछ खरीदा. The long month of Ramjan is over. Today is the festival of Eid. It's a wonderful morning. The trees seem greener than ever. The fields look colorful and even the sun seems to be shining brighter. The village is buzzing with activities. Everybody is getting ready to go to Eidgah Mosque. The children are excited. They have been dreaming about this day for so long. इतना रमज़ान का महीना ख़त्म होते ही, ईद आते ही सब में खुशियों की लहर दौड़ उठती है. बच्चे तो बहुत वेट करते हैं. At last it is here. Today they will go to Eidgah fair and eat plates of delicious savaya, cooked in milk and sugar. The happiest boy in the village is Hamid. He is thin and pale and only 4 years old. His parents are both dead and he lives with Amina, his grandmother. Hamid has not shoes on his feet. His clothes and cap are old and tattered. But what does it matter? इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? Hamid is still happy. उससे इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. उसके कपड़े फटे हुए हों, शूज़ उसके पैरों में नहीं हों, फिर भी वो खुश है. He sleeps snuggled close to his grandmother. He knows his parents will return one day. His father will, brings home sacks full of silver. His mother, who has gone to bring him gifts from Allah Mia's house, will return soon. Hope is a magical thing. है ना? उम्मीद पर तो दुनिया कायम है. उसे लगता था ये सब होगा, पापा भी आएंगे और मम्मा भी आएंगी. Amina is crying. Today is Eid and there is nothing in the house. If only her son Abid were alive, all the other fathers would take their children to the fair. हर पापा जो हैं, बच्चों के पापा, उनको मेला घुमाने ले जाते हैं. अमीना के लिए बहुत दुख की बात थी कि उसके लिए, उस बच्चे के लिए, हामिद के लिए कोई भी नहीं था उसे ले जाने के लिए. बहुत रो रही थी वो ईद वाले दिन. Who would go with her little Hamid? What would she do if he got lost? How would he walk 3 long miles on the Eidgah Mosque? कैसे चलेगा? क्योंकि बच्चों को तो अपने कंधों पर बिठा के ले जाते हैं पापा. Amina is worried. Hamid does not even have a pair of shoes. She could go with him and carry him in her arms when he got tired. But then who would make him savaya to eat when he returned? She was going to ask her neighbors to give her the things to make the sweet. Sweet बनाने के लिए भी उसे चीज़ें चाहिए थी. Hamid has only 3 paise in his pocket, but he was wings in his feet. उसके पैरों में तो पंख लगे हुए थे. 3 ही पैसे थे पॉकेट में, लेकिन पैरों में जैसे पंख लगे थे, उड़ना चाहता था. Don't worry, Amma Jan. Don't worry, Ammi Jan. He says, and I'll come home before dark. अंधेरा होने से पहले ही लौट आऊँगा, चिंता मत करो. The streets are crowded. Grown-ups with long beards and children wearing shiny new clothes jostle one another. Tongas and carts fill the streets. Everybody is going to the Eidgah mosque. At last, they reach the Eidgah. The prayer is over. People come out of the mosque and rush to the food and toy stalls. Hamid's friends, Mohsin, Mahmood and Noori run to the giant wheel. It costs only 1 paise for a ride up to the sky and down again. आकाश में झूला जाके वापस आता है ना, तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. सिर्फ 1 पैसे थी उसकी कॉस्ट. हामिद हैज़ ओनली 3 पैसे. ही वॉन्ट्स टू सेव इट फॉर समथिंग स्पेशल. अब स्पेशल तो आपको पता चलेगा क्या लेना चाहता था वो. ही डजंट वॉन्ट टू थ्रो हिज मनी अवे जस्ट फॉर अ जॉय राइड. क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा, ये तो मैं लूँगा और ख़त्म हो जाएगी, है ना. तो वो उसमें वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहता था अपने पैसे. द जाइंट व्हील कम्स टू द ग्राउंड एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स जम्प्स ऑफ. They run to the toy stall filled with kind of toys. There are soldiers, milkmaids, kings and ministers, water carriers, dhobis and sadhus. बहुत सारे toys थे वहाँ पे. They look so lifelike. ऐसे लगता था जैसे एकदम खड़े हों जैसे, है ना, मतलब जिंदगी उनके अंदर जान हो. Hamid watches as Mahmood buys a policeman in khaki with a red turban on his head and a gun on his shoulder. उसने देखा कि महमूद तो ये खरीद रहा है. Mohsin buys a water carrier bent under the weight of his water bag. The toys cost 2 पैसे each. अब 2 पैसे की कॉस्ट थी हर एक टॉय की. Hamid looks sadly at the toys. He also wants one. खरीदना तो चाहता था वो भी. बट देन ही थिंक्स टू हिमसेल्फ, देर आर ओनली one made of clay. They will break if they fall. Drop of water will make their paint run. वो खरीदना चाहता था, लेकिन उसने अपने मन को तसल्ली दी ये बोलकर कि क्या होगा, मिट्टी के बने हुए हैं, नीचे गिरेंगे टूट जाएंगे, और अगर पानी गिर गया तो इनका पेंट खराब हो जाएगा, तो मुझे नहीं लेना. Maybe he could just hold his friends' toys which are all new and nobody wants to share. They walk to the sweet shop. He watches his friends buying big, juicy, gulab jamun, sweet, sticky, sohan halwa and yellow rose scented laddus. Hamid watches hungrily. उसको भी भूख लगी हुई थी. उसका भी मन कर रहा था ये सब खाने को. Why doesn't he buy something to eat? He has 3 पैसे in his pocket. His friends tease him. तंग कर रहे थे उसे. 3 पैसे तो है तुम्हारी पॉकेट में, क्यों नहीं लेते हो कुछ, क्यों नहीं खाते हो. Buy some laddus, Hamid, say Mohsin. See how good they smell. Nobody shares their sweets with him. उसको कहा गया कि तुम खरीद लो, लेकिन किसी ने अपनी उस मिठाई उसके साथ शेयर नहीं की. Who wants them? Let them keep their sweets to themselves, thinks Hamid. उसने अपने दिल को तसल्ली दी. कौन लेना चाहता है इनसे, खाने दो उन्हें. Anyway, they are also bad for teeth. उसने इसलिए भी तसल्ली दी, छोड़ो ना, ये तो दांत भी खराब हो जाएंगे. Hamid will spend his money on something better. After the sweet shops, there are some stalls selling iron things and metal pots and pans. The boy move on. They are not interested at all except our friend Hamid, who stops to look. He sees a pair of iron tongs. चिमटा होता है ना, लोहे वाला. He thinks of Amina. दादी के बारे में सोचा उसने. His grandmother. The fire burns her fingers every time she makes rotis. जब भी वो रोटी बनाती है उसके हाथ जलते हैं. How happy she would be if he gave her the tongs. Also, it was a useful thing to buy. तो जब रोटी बनाएगी और इसको यूज़ करेगी तो कितना खुशी होगी अगर मैं उसके लिए खरीदूँगा. Like toys that would break or sweets that give you a toothache or stomach ache. टॉयज़ खरीदूँगा वो टूट जाएंगे, मिठाइयाँ खाऊँगा वो पेट में दर्द भी होगी, दांत भी खराब हो जाएंगे. द टोंग्स वुड लास्ट फॉर एवर. पर ये चिमटा जिंदगी भर रहेगा. श्योरली हिज फ्रेंड्स वुड लाफ, बट हु केयर्स. मेरे फ्रेंड्स हंसेंगे ज़रूर, बट किसको परवाह है, हंसने दो, हंसते हैं तो. Timidly, he asked the shopkeeper, "How much do they cost?" The shopkeeper replied, 6 paise. After some bargaining, he purchased the tongs. उसने थोड़ा सा भाव किया, उससे बोला कि 3 का लगा लो. Hamid reached his home. उसने ले लिया उसको. घर पहुंचा. As soon as Amina hears his steps, she coming out and running takes him in her arms. Suddenly she sees the tongs in his hand. उसको अपने बाहों में भर के उसने देखा उसके हाथ में चिमटा है. Where did you find these? She asks in surprise. I bought them. Says the little boy. He says proudly. I paid only 3 paise. You always burn your hands on the fire. That's why I bought these tongs for you. तुम हमेशा हाथ जला लेती हो ना, इसलिए मैं तुम्हारे लिए लाया हूँ. Amina's heart is full. What a lovely child he is. What a large caring heart he has. इतना बड़ा दिल. Even at the fear he thought of his old grandmother. Tears roll down from her eyes while she hugs the child. उसने दादी के बारे में मेले में भी सोचा. मिठाई खाने को मिली, मिठाई नहीं खाई. छोटा सा 4 साल का बच्चा, नंगे पाँव था, खिलौने दिखे, झूले दिखे, कुछ नहीं उसने लिया बजाय इसके कि वो अपनी दादी के लिए एक चिमटा खरीदे, क्योंकि वो रोज़ देखता था दादी रोटी बनाती थी, उसके हाथ जलते थे. उसके दिमाग में यही था कि मैं अपने दादी के हाथों को जलने से बचा लूँ. तो दादी इतनी खुश हुई कि एक छोटे से बच्चे के छोटा से दिल कितना बड़ा हो सकता है किसी के लिए. इसकी वजह से उसकी आंखों में खुशी के आंसू उसकी आंखों में आए और उसने अपने बच्चे को, हामिद को, हक कर लिया. आई होप आपको ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी. चलिए एक वर्ड बैंक देख लेते हैं. Buzzing, making a low, continuous humming or murmuring sound. Sevilla, a sweet dish prepared for Eid, tattered, old and torn, in bad condition, snuggled to get into a position that makes you feel safe. Warm and comfortable, jostle to push hard against somebody in a crowd. Hungrily, eagerly, tease, make fun, tongs are tool used for holding things. Timidly, lack of confidence. And moral learned. We should always be kind, lovable and respectful towards our grandparents, and they are truly our sources of inspiration for us. So, we should always follow their sayings. Let's practice बच्चों through exercises. Comprehension, multiple choices questions, MCQs. Tick the correct option in A part. In B part, fill in the blanks. In C part, make sentences, and in D part, write true for correct statement and false for incorrect statement. And in E part, answer the following questions. Grammar workshop. Prepositions. A preposition is a word of group of words that tells us where somebody or something is, or where something happens or somebody does something, or the direction or place from which somebody or something is coming. The direction or place in which or where somebody or something is going. A preposition is usually placed before the word or group of words it governs, which is called its object. There are two kinds of preposition. A preposition which consists of only one word is known as a simple preposition, and a preposition which is made up of more than one word is known as a complex preposition. Given below is the list of commonly used simple and complex prepositions. Simple preposition across, between, regarding, against, next, through, following, except, among, outside, upon, over, until, beside, on, etc. Complex prepositions along with, in front of, in view of, for the sake of, in accordance with, in place of, on account of, on behalf of, in spite of, such as, together with, due to, by the way of, in comparison to, in favor of, etc. Okay, now fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Identify the underlined words in the following sentences and write whether they are used as adjectives A or pronouns B. Conversation में है discuss with your partner about the astrologer. Creative writing, write a paragraph on the topic my favorite food and write about 80 to 100 words on the topic related to environment. Crosswords, grandparents day interview, you have to take that. Life skills, hello friend, I am Rohan. When I wake up in the morning, I could hear my grandmother doing her puja. My little sister is still sleeping as she is very small and does not go to the school. My mother gives me breakfast and helps me getting ready for school. My grandfather, goes for a morning walk every day. Father drops me to the bus stop to get the school bus. Okay, so ये थी आपकी life skills and now have fun, enjoy.